Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of Class UKG and the topic name is quotations, prayers, song, question and answer. So my dear students, one by one I would like to explain you this all the things. So first is quotation. Quotation, quotation. So the quotation is truthfulness, truthfulness. Is the foundation. Of all. Human. Virtues. Truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtues. So, my dear students, I would like to explain you this quotation. According to this quotation, without truthfulness, progress and success are impossible for any soul. When this line will be accepted and established in man, all the divine qualities will also be acquired. Without this spiritual quality, neither individuals nor social progress is possible. Our life and faith as a foundation, and that foundation is truthfulness. We have to be truthful to progress in all the world of the God. It is very difficult to speak the truth when we have done something wrong because we feel ashamed and don't want other to know what we have done, or we are afraid that we will be punished for doing this wrong thing. Sometimes what we have done is a mistake. In all cases, when a parent or someone asks, "Did you do this?" So, the right things for us to do is to admit it and ask for forgiveness and say that we are sorry and mean to try not to do the same thing again. We need to learn from our mistakes. In this way, we will become better day by day. So, my dear student, we should be truthful in our life. So, the truthfulness is the foundation of all human virtues. Now, the next is put, your, trust, God, and commit, your, affairs, his, keeping. Put your trust in God and commit your affairs to His keeping. So, my dear students, according to this quotation, God is everywhere. He is certainly all powerful and He is absolutely loving. We can absolutely trust Him. He has substance. His word on His promises are secure. We should put our trust in Him. To commit our way to Lord is to build our life upon the values of His kingdom. It is an act of trust. We believe that He will meet us into a full and the flourishing life lived with Him. So, now next is prayer. 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 See, my dear students, prayer is I bear witness O my God, that thou hast created me to know thee and to worship thee. What is the prayer? Prayer is, I bear witness, O my God, that thou hast created me to know thee and to worship thee. So, my dear student, according to this prayer, God is everywhere in this world. Everything God has created, we believe God brought us to here because He wants to know. He loves us. So, we should worship God. Now, the next is song. Yes, my dear students, see, ye are drops. Then of one ocean. Ye are leaves of one tree. Come and join us in our quest for unity. It's a way of life for you and me. So, my dear students, I would like to teach you this song. This song is very nice. Now, I am going to teach you this song and repeat after me. So, say, my dear students, ye are drops. This line we will repeat 2 times. Of one ocean. This line also 2 times we will repeat. After that, ye are leaves. This line also 2 times we will repeat. Of one tree. This also 2 times. And then come and join us also 2 times. So, start. Ye are drops. Ye are drops of one ocean. Of one ocean. Ye are leaves. Ye are leaves of one tree. Of one tree. Come and join us, come and join us in our quest for unity. It's a way of life for you and me. Like this. Okay, one more time I am going to repeat. Listen carefully and then sing. Say, ye are drops of one ocean, of one ocean. Ye are leaves of one tree, of one tree. Come and join us, come and join us in our quest for unity. It's a way of life for you and me. This song is very nice, my dear. You will also learn at home. Now, I would like to explain you that what this song is telling to us, which message is giving this song. So, according to this song, we all are same and should together to create a better world. As a single drop cannot form an ocean, a single leaf cannot provide us shade. Similarly, a single person cannot make this world a better place. To make this world a beautiful place, we have to be united and come together and unite our hearts and make this world a peaceful place where all people live together, work together and help each other. Now, I would like to teach you question and answer. So, the first is WHAT, what, THE, the, PROPHETS, prophets, OF, of, GOD, God, TEACH, teach, US, us. What the prophets of God teach us. So the answer is TO2BEB honest, KIND kind, AND and, SERVE serve, OTHERS others. Answer is to be kind, to be honest, kind and serve others. So my dear students, according to this line, we should be honest in our life. Honesty is not just about telling the truth. It's about being real with yourself and others. Honesty is when you speak the truth and act truthfully. We should be kind to others. Kindness is as the quality of being friendly, generous. We should be helpful and always we should be ready to serve others in any condition and any situation. So, my dear students, what the prophets of God teach us? To be honest, kind and serve others. Now the next is WHAT, what, DOES, does, GOD, God, EXPECT, expect, FROM, from, US, us. What does God expect from us? The answer is TO2 LOVE, love, HIM, him, AND and, SERVE, serve, HIM, him. To love him and serve him. What does God expect from us? To love him and serve him. So, my dear students, God loves every creation, whatever God has made. So, we should also love to God. If we want to serve God, we should help helpless people. In this way, we can serve God. Now, the next is WHO, who, MADE, made, YOU, and ME, me. Who made you and me? Tell me, my dear students. Now the answer is God. GOD, God. Who made you and me, my dear? God. God is the creator of universe. He is all-knowing and all-seeing. God has created everything in this world. You, me, everything. Understood, my dear students? Now the next is WHO, who, MADE, made, ELEPHANTS, elephants, BIRDS, birds, and FISH, fish. Who made elephants, birds and fish? Tell me, my dear students. Answer is God. GOD, God. God made elephants, birds and fish. You know, my dear student, in this world, everything, whatever you can see, all the living things, who has made? God has made. All the natural things, living things, God has made. So, who made elephants, birds and fish? God. So, my dear student, like this, you will study at home, quotations, prayer, song, question and answer. Thank you.